In this video, we are going to be looking at some additional features within the market profile. Now, one of the first things you can do is when you're looking at these profiles, you have an ability to split them. So if I just simply click on the right, so if I simply do a right click, I can visualize this profile as one single TPO of 30 minutes, and you can see the letters split up over here. This would be a split profile, and within the split profile, the ones in green, if you just hover over, would be the VWAP of that particular 30-minute period. And the pink, okay, would be the VPOC. So we are using the same coloring method as earlier. Every time, okay, you see something in pink, that would be your VPOC, volume point of control, and the ones in green would be your VWAP. Now, additionally, okay, when you split up the profiles, you also get an option to view the big open interest changes directly on the chart. So what you would see in fluorescent green over here is an OI spike, and you can use the tooltip feature to have a look at what is the spikes over here. So in this particular case, it is showing us a spike of 1505 in the Nifty futures. So that's a 1505 contract traded, a large order coming in at this particular price, and helping price to move on to higher levels. So same thing over here, there is another big contract traded, about 1953 contracts. It gives you the time and it gives you the price at which it is traded. So this is extremely useful when you want to track the big players trading, and now you can do that directly on a profile chart. You can use this in any option chart also. So if I pick up the 18,600 CE and I do the same thing, I split profile, I get to see the open interest changes directly on the market profile chart. So here you can see that there is a quantity 1282 in the 18,600 CE, which was an open interest spike, and those were the number of contracts which were closed. So a negative number would tell you that there was a closure of that contract, and the price and the time at which it was closed is visible directly to you. The second thing which you can do is you can use a shift click. So the shift key on your keyboard and left mouse click, and you can merge various profiles. So the minute you do that, if I keep choosing profiles, so you see the color background changing and you'll get this merge option. You can merge all these profiles over here. So just to have a look at what is being done over here, so this is the merged profile. We have merged all these profiles and we've seen a collective composite profile over here. So doing that is very simple. You have to use the shift click, or you can keep individually selecting the various profiles and choose the merge option which comes in, and these two would be merged over here. Now to unmerge them, just do an unmerge profile from there or the one lower, and you could you can use this button down below, unmerge, and you could have all those profiles replaced back to you as well. Right now, right below, you have an option of seeing the instrument in a line chart. So if I go down to the bottom and I click line chart, I can see the instrument traded as a line chart. And if I can push to see what has happened in this past few days, if I choose that number 6, I get to see exactly what this instrument has done over the past 6 days. So we'll be covering this particular chart in a subsequent video, but just to give you an idea, you get the open interest. The VPOC is again the pink color, and the VWAP is the green color, and you can see them across about any number of days you choose. You can either choose intraday or the number of days over here, or you can choose your starting date. To go back to the market profile, just click on this tab at the extreme top bottom, and you would get the market profile charts back. Again, you can zoom in and you can get a display of all the volume traded, the quantities, the type of days, etc. If you want more information about any particular profile, then you can click OK on that particular profile, and you can choose this is display info on the right hand side. So against this profile, which was the 14th of June, now okay, you get to see the type of day, the kind of volume which was traded, the open interest of that day in terms of contracts, how much went up, the day range, the value areas, and the individual TPO. Okay, if you want to choose this particular day, 15th of June, and you want to show want to see what happened on the 15th of June, then again the same setting, display info on the right hand side. Now you can zoom in and see what all happened on that particular day. So very useful if you want to go back and zoom into what has happened on previous days, including the ranges, including the VWAPs, including the VPOCs, and the open interest numbers. You can do that by using this principle. Right. So that's it for this particular video. We'll look at another one.